Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to convert mixed numbers to improper fraction. Look at here, this is a mixed number. That is, mixed number has two parts. One is whole number or integer, another is fraction. Look at here, this is every fraction will have two parts. One is denominator, one is numerator, another is denominator. So here denominator is 4 and numerator is 3. Improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Improper fraction is that type of fraction in which numerator will be greater than denominator. So for example, here 4 by 3 is an improper fraction because look at here numerator is greater than denominator, but 3 over 4 is a proper fraction because here numerator is less than denominator. However, now come to the point, how to convert this mixed number 2 and 3/4 to improper fraction. Okay, so you know that here 2 is a whole number. So what I'll do, look, I have to improper fraction mean we will have numerator and denominator. That is, our denominator will be same for mixed number and improper fraction. So here denominator is 4, so I have to take the same denominator. Then look at here, I have to multiply denominator with whole number. I have to multiply denominator with whole number, so we have to multiply 2 times 4. Then I have to add numerator, right? Here numerator is 3, so we are getting here, look at here, we are getting here 8 plus 3 over 4. So basically we are getting 11 divided by 4, right? So what is the rule or formula? The formula is, look at here, formula. Denominator times whole number or integer plus numerator divided by denominator. Right? Look at here, I have used this formula, denominator times, or you can change this position, integer times denominator or denominator times integers, right? That is denominator times integer plus numerator divided by denominator. Okay, let me take another example so that you can have more knowledge, right? So let us take 1.5. How to convert this mixed number to improper fraction? Look at here. So what will I do? I will take the same denominator, then I have to multiply integer times denominator, then I have to add numerator. So we are getting here 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So we are getting here 3 over 2. Look at here numerator is greater than denominator. So you can say that this is an improper fraction. So this is the way, right? I think this is very simple. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.